This is where the biggest opportunity is for you. PopMax aims to expand token economics and promote user participation as well as drive ecosystem growth. Pop has recently launched a multi-time frame staking model to allow the everyday person to earn in the Pop ecosystem with a truly revolutionary model of profits on profits. Let's take a look at the staking and the reward model with something called yield pool distribution. To stake, you need to go and buy up PPT and then match it with an equal amount of USDT, minimum $50 PPT plus $50 USDT. Actually, with the latest update, there is now an option allowing users to stake 100% USDT, BEP20. For example, if you choose staking for only 10 days, Pop's stake earnings will give you 0.4% every day. If you do 30 days, it's 0.5% every day, 90 days it's 0.6%, 180 days 0.8%, and if you choose a 360-day staking period, you will be able to earn 1% a day. And this money goes into something called the PUSD pool. So what is PUSD? Well, that is the company's internal stablecoin. 1 PUSD equals 1 USDT. You can choose to withdraw everything that comes into the PUSD pool immediately if you want, even multiple times a day. Both your passive staking rewards as well as any of your team earnings will go into this PUSD pool. If you leave your funds here, you will receive additional profits on your earnings. When you have funds in the PUSD pool, you are taking part of a daily yield pool bonus. This pool acts as a compounding effect on your money. The more funds you leave in the pool, the more you will have received from the daily yield pool distribution. And what is yield pool distribution exactly? Let's take a look. The yield pool is a powerful mechanism that rewards users with daily pool distribution. As there is a 10% withdrawal fee on profits, not principal, this is where that money ends up. 50% of those funds goes to everyone who has PUSD in the pool. 40% goes to node holders, and 10% goes to the expansion fund. So this is a powerful mechanism. Not only do you get the staking rewards every day, but if you keep money in the PUSD pool, you're also taking part of the yield pool bonus every day. Very much like a compounding effect. Let's look at some examples of staking. If you stake $100 for 360 days means you earn 1% a day, which also means $1 per day. So after 360 days, you have $360. And plus, of course, the principal of the $100 you invested is also yours. If you stake $1,000, then you would earn 10 times more. That's $10 per day. That's $3,600 profit over 360 days plus the principal return. If you do $5,000 for 360 days, you receive $50 per day. That's $18,000 in 360 days. Same goes with $10,000. You earn $100 per day, which is $36,000 over 360 days. Now, if we also add up the yield pool distribution. The yield pool, of course, varies depending on how much withdrawal the company has for the day. For example, we have seen from 0.65% all the way up to 1.3% per day in the PUSD pool. So let's save an average between these as 0.975%. Let's just imagine now you have $500 in the PUSD pool. This $500 can be a combination of earnings from passive staking rewards and team referral commissions. And with the average PUSD pool daily yield of 0.975%, that means you will get an interest rate daily of $4.8 of profits on your $500 of earnings. If you have, for example, $2,000 in the pool, that means you will receive $19.5 every day of additional earnings. And if you go 360 days, you will have over $7,000 in interest because of this yield pool bonus. And for $30,000 in the pool, then you get $292.50 every day, as long as you keep the money there. This is, of course, calculation estimates. The pool yield percentage can vary daily because of the withdrawal amounts. The calculation is based on the amount you have in your PUSD pool. Remember, whenever you want, you can choose to withdraw all this money to your wallet if you wish to. But if you keep it here, then the daily yield pool bonus takes effect. As mentioned, you can also earn money by referring others, become an ambassador, and share this platform. For direct referrals, you will earn a 15% daily match on your teammates' earnings. That means, if you refer someone who also starts staking, you will actually receive 15% every day of that person's rewards. If one of your teammates stakes $1,000 for 360 days, they will earn 1% a day, $10 per day. You receive 15% of that $10 every day, $1.50, as long as your referral is staked. There are different bonuses like referral earnings, pool bonus, global bonus, mint earnings, team earnings, dynamic earnings, and passive earnings. The fun part here is if you sign up a new teammate today and they start staking at 2 o'clock, another teammate joins 3 o'clock and another at 4 o'clock. That means every day, at 2 o'clock you get paid here, at 3 o'clock you get paid there, at 4 o'clock you get paid another match on your teammates' daily earnings. This is because everything is based on smart contracts and it is time-stamped. So you can imagine when you have a bigger team, you sign up a lot of people in different time zones, you can get paid every day throughout the day, small sums coming here and there around the clock. It's really fun and engaging. This is just the 15% direct referral earnings on your first level of referrals.